G'day everyone, Brad from Shift. Quick one today, we've got another interesting one. We're doing a turbo on this Hilux. Had a turbo failure. Now with any turbo failure, we have to go through and basically play detective and see what's causing these issues or what the failure is. So down in here, it's can't really see in there, but the backside of those fins in there is all chipped and damaged. Basically that's usually from overspool. Basically the car have a boost leak or something like that, and the turbo's working harder than it has to and basically spinning too fast for what it's designed for. The usual culprit is these little filters just here. Now we haven't seen this car before, and this car's actually had a couple of turbos put on it under warranty. We've replaced this last visit. Now, I'd say that was probably the issue all along. Either that or it's a poor quality turbo. We have seen issues with this particular brand of turbo. So we always run genuine Toyota turbos, and they're made by IHI, which is these guys. Another important thing is the oil feed line needs to be replaced as part of warranty for doing these jobs. That just ensures that we have no issues with the oil supply to a brand new turbo, because obviously these are oil fed, oil lubricated, and it's very critical that they have the right amount of clean pressurized oil going to them. So yeah, we'll get this one back together and should be happy days for the customer. Thanks.